I'm learning how to take the headliner off. I don't have to take the full headliner off. I just need to get, you know, the back half to where it's sagging a little bit so Dennis can get his tools in there. Take all these dents out. Doesn't look that hard. I don't know what even to do. I watched a video on it, it tells me exactly what to do, and I still can't figure it out. What's up, guys? I messed up my GTI. Let me tell you the story here, come on. So we got a 4-post lift over here. I pulled my car onto the 4-post lift, gonna change the oil. We lift up that door, get the car in, pull it on the lift. I forgot to shut the garage door and lifted my car right into the garage door. Smashed it up a little bit, so we got some dents on the top here. As you can see, I've already had some previous hail damage up here that I wanted to get fixed anyway. So we called Dennis the Dent guy out here, and we're gonna get all this fixed up.
You gotta figure out how to unplug these, and then this hatch was already taken off before. No, paint's chipped. So we're gonna have to take that off.
The hatch has to come off?
Yeah, then that way we can work the long way.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is gonna suck.
This is gonna suck?
I need your help. We need your help. Because it's really heavy.
Put the camera down, Jose. That looks sweet. I'm gonna keep it like that.
If I can't get this to come down easily, I might just have to stab holes into it when I push up with the tools. If you want, we could just pull it down and then put Dynamat. And then that'll keep the vibration down from wind buffeting up there.
Okay.
Otherwise it might get a little bit loud in the car. Since the panel is bent right here, all that glue on the foam is holding pressure down on it. So when we release that, it'll probably fix most of this, and then that's less work that I have to worry about trying to fix.
So what are your suggestions?
I'm gonna try to cut it down first.
In order for Dennis to get his tools to massage these dents out, we first have to remove the foam board that's glued to the underside of the roof, which proved to be a little harder than we expected. Does it help that I'm doing this?
It might be making it worse, but...
That's what usually happens when I do any work around here. You just go in the office and leave us alone. All right. Why do I feel like I don't know how to work this thing? There we go. All right, we're gonna warm that up a little bit, see if we can loosen that glue. Hopefully that'll help. We'll know when it's hot enough, when that film on top starts melting. Along with the dents in the roof, I also have a couple dents in the side quarter panel. So Dennis is gonna remove the back taillight to get access.
What's interesting about dents?
I don't know, not much. I like being able to fix stuff that most people can't, like keeping the original body panel on the car. So usually the harder spots, depending on the car, is like the dogleg areas like this. It's really hard to get tools down in there. See, on some of the other cars, they're a lot narrower, and getting tools to fit in there is not easy. The other hard spots are the roof rails, because you really can't get tools in there. It's basically like the roll cage of the car. Every car has its own little idiosyncrasies of what can get done and what can't get done. All the damage that's on here is all repairable. It's just getting to it, like disassembly of the roof and the headliner and all that, to be able to reach tools in there makes it really difficult, but once you're actually in there, it's not gonna be that bad. I fixed way worse than that damage, so It should be fairly straightforward once I actually get tools on it.
Paintless dent repair, or PDR, is the process of fixing hail damage, door dings, and other dents on the vehicle without the need for a body shop or repainting panels. It'll cost significantly less than a body shop repair and can be done in most cases in just a few hours. Well, we got the headliner down. Everything looks good, but they have all this glue on the top of the metal there, so we gotta try to scrape that off. When Dennis is done with this one, we're actually gonna heat up the top and try to warm that enough to get all that glue off, scrape all that glue off the top of the roof there, so then he can get in there and get all those dents fixed. Looks like we gotta replace the film there. We burnt it. That's it, Jose. We're done today. No more. Turn the damn camera off, Jose! Dennis is done with his dent repair and it looks absolutely beautiful, man. Nice job. Yeah. Was there any more difficulty? I mean, because it seemed like that was really quick, actually.
Yeah, only a couple hours. It wasn't that bad.
I mean, we took a lot more time to get all the stuff off.
Yeah. Usually the hardest spot is just because this is open, makes it a little bit more challenging.
Yeah.
We're just making it flatter because the antenna is going to cover it. So other than that, it wasn't too bad.
Looks beautiful, man. Cool. Nice job. Coronavirus. Yeah. So next, we're gonna clean off all this, some adhesive left over from taking off the black PPF. So the guys are gonna help me. I'm gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna put the black S-Tech paint protection film back on the car and put this thing back together. There we go, a little metal massaging and the GTI is back to brand new. I'm super happy with the results. If you guys need any dent repair and you're local, you're in the area, give Dennis, the dent guy, a call. I'll put some information from him in the description below. But otherwise, it's springtime, summer's coming. It's time to get back to Project GTI. Gotta get some new wheels and tires on this thing. Gotta make her low with some coilovers. And any suggestions that you guys had, I would love to hear them. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.